everyone, it's Aletheiya, and today I want to show you my Inktober sketchbook from 2017 together with some helpful tips on your next Inktober journey, and I hope this video will be helpful for some of you. Before I get started, for those of you who don't know what Inktober actually is, it's a challenge created by Jake Parker. It's about creating art with ink for 31 days straight. So you have to draw every day and then share your art on social media with the relevant hashtag Inktober. Okay, so first of all, this is a sketchbook not from any brand. It's made by myself with some cardboard from a cornflakes package and also just some cheap gray printer paper. But I really wanted to have my own sketchbook separate for Inktober, so I can have it all in one place. But maybe this year I just do it in my regular sketchbook. So yeah, let's start. So the first tip I have for you is the basics of Inktober. Thinking about your tools, what you want to use, and just plan in advance. So which sketchbook do you want to use? Do you want to use ink or fine liner? A brush pen? Do you want to use color? There are already so many different options. The tools that I used are, most of all, as you can see, the thick outlines are made with this pencil brush pen, but you can draw really thick lines and also very small lines with it. I love that. For all of the sketches I did below, I used a colored polychromos. My next tip is to follow an actual prompt list. As you may have noticed, these are all the themes. These were my own prompt list I made last year because I couldn't get myself inspired by just looking at the official prompt list by Jake Parker. You can see it in his account on Instagram and online too. My theme for this year are plants, because I'm so unfamiliar with drawing plants. So yeah, maybe you are inspired to make your own. For day 12, themed Egypt myth, I choose the Egypt cat goddess busted, and also used my gold gel pen again. And the next page is actually I think my favorite of the whole book. It's the YouTuber, and you can also find her on Instagram, Harmony Nice. I just love her videos and her looks, so I had to draw her, and her hair is so good for the theme for colors, I think. Coming to my next tip of Inktober is getting ahead. So I think yeah, it's a very long challenge, and for everyone can unexpected events happen. You may have birthdays or deadlines you have to fulfill. So I personally think it's okay to just sketch ahead, or maybe even draw ahead. Last Inktober I was very stressed at some points, but I really did a drawing each day but I remember it being very stressful. So if you know you don't have the time on a particular day, yeah, maybe you can also just think about drawing the sketch a few days before and finishing it on that day. A very controversial topic, but I think it's okay. It's your challenge, and so you have to make it possible for you. And remember also, it's about fun, not having to please anyone's thoughts about it. And coming to my last tip is if you really feel uninspired and don't have any idea what to draw next, it's always a good idea to browse the hashtag and yeah, get inspired by all the amazing artists out there. Or you can also maybe get inspired by trying new tools you never learned before. Maybe trying with a colored sketch instead of a pencil sketch, drawing with an actual brush and ink instead of fine liner or the brush pen. Yes, because this painting is so very dark, I choose to use a lot of this white gel pen. This is by far my favorite white gel pen. It's also from Pentel and it's called Hybrid Gel Grip DX. This one gives very nice highlights. I really can recommend it. This was my whole sketchbook. I would like to share some struggles I faced last year, which are I really had some problems figuring out when drawing takes too long and when to stop when I'm already having way too little time to draw something at that day. Getting lost in the sketch, so it was always that I had to choose if I wanted to have good lighting for photos or if I want to post at that particular day when the theme is the right one. Often I had to deal with that I had to draw at late afternoon or in the evening, that there wasn't the good daylight anymore, and I had to shoot the photo for Instagram with artificial light and the colors weren't the same, but it was more important for me to post when the theme and the day is right. But I think you have to figure it out for yourself what matters more to you. I hope you find this video helpful and you like my little sketchbook tour, and I hope to see you in Inktober this year. Thanks for watching and bye bye!